In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Excel tips. If you've ever felt stuck in Excel and wished for quick, reliable guidance without leaving your spreadsheet, the built-in help experience is exactly what you need. It's designed to surface tips, tutorials, and answers right inside the app so you can learn while you work. We'll keep it simple and focused so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. Start by heading to the ribbon at the top of Excel, where all your tabs live. Look toward the right end and locate the Help tab. When you click the Help tab, Excel switches the ribbon to a set of tools centered around support and learning. Depending on your version, you may see items such as Help, Training, What's New, and Feedback. The exact layout can vary slightly between Windows, Mac, and the web, and on narrower screens, some labels may appear as icons, but the purpose is the same: to bring learning resources front and center. Next, click on Help within that tab. This opens a dedicated help experience, often as a pane on the right side of your worksheet. Here, you'll find curated tips and guidance that are relevant to common tasks, from formulas and formatting to charts and data analysis. The content is organized to save you time, so you can scan suggested articles, quick explanations, and helpful examples without jumping between windows. If your device is online, this area can also refresh with the latest content, including updated recommendations and feature highlights. As you explore what appears, notice how the help content is designed to be practical. You might see concise definitions, common use cases, and links to deeper training for when you want more context. Many topics point out efficient techniques and time-saving shortcuts, so you can pick up best practices even if you're just browsing. In some versions, you'll also see keyboard shortcut references and quick starts that are ideal when you're getting up to speed on a new feature. If your interface looks a little different, that's normal. On some builds, the help label may appear as a question mark or compress into a smaller icon if your window isn't very wide. The functionality is the same. Once you open the Help area, Excel delivers tips right alongside your workbook, keeping you focused and minimizing interruptions. That's all there is to it. By clicking the Help tab and then selecting Help, you unlock an on-demand library of Excel tips that are easy to read, up-to-date, and ready when you are. Keep this spot in mind the next time you want a quick answer or a nudge in the right direction, and let Excel guide you as you work.